Hello, this is part two of the throttle cable, airbox, and electrical stuff. This one, oh, I also installed the clutch line here. So this one, the clutch line does go to the uh, tank or reservoir on the driver's side. Um, the torque specs for that are between 10 and 20 Newton meters. The line itself, I had to twist pretty hard in order to align it to the reservoir. Which I hear is normal. Um, I also tried to grease the prop shaft that I had put into the chassis last time. Um, I tried to grease it, but as soon as I squeezed the grease gun, the grease would squeeze out the side. So I'm not sure if it's pre-greased from the factory. I'm gonna ask my dealer about that. Next, the airbox intake gasket was difficult to install. There's one really round corner that I couldn't get around. So I ended up just trying to use sort of Gorilla Tape to attempt to seal the two ends to meet. Hopefully that's okay. Finally, the throttle cable has a little bit of play at the pedal going, all directions. I think that's normal. I'm going to ask about it. But there's also no retaining screw, even though there's a hole for one. Um, all in all, I think this was fairly straightforward, just took a little bit of time to get everything done. Thank you.